We all make mistakes sometimes in our videos as YouTube creators. The only problem is, how do you go about editing a video that you have already uploaded on YouTube and then later realize that you have made a mistake? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of editing your YouTube videos after you have already uploaded it on YouTube and it's generating views and engagements. Hi there, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the YouTube built-in video editor to trim any of your channel videos after you have already uploaded it on YouTube. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in growing your channel, driving traffic to your videos while making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you happen to upload a video on YouTube and you later realize that you need to trim or cut portions of the video out, what you want to do is head over to the video in your Creator Studio page, hover your mouse over the video you want to edit and click on this pencil-like feature, and that will take you to the video editing page. On the video editing page, scroll down to this editor option down here on the left hand side and click on it. YouTube will now take you to this video editor software page. Let me just quickly walk you through some of the features on this page. Now, as you can see, you have the undo and the redo button on the top left here, and then the discard and the save option on the top right. Below here, you have the zoom slider, which you can use to focus right into the spot where you are trimming your video. Then you have the trimming feature here on the right, and then the video and the audio timelines below. Also, below the audio timeline area here, you see the blur feature, which you can use to blur portions of your video that you don't want your viewers to see. And finally, the last feature below here is the cards element feature, which you can use to add cards or end screen cards to your YouTube videos. Now, let's look at an example on how to trim a video using this trimming feature on this video editor. First, you want to put this video playhead at the beginning of the area you want to trim, and then click on the trim button on the top left here. Now, as you can see, when you do that, the entire video will be selected with this blue line, and these options will pop up here below. Now, you want to click on the split option here, and another blue line will mark the starting point. Next is dragging the video playhead to the end point where you want to cut or trim off the video. As you can see, when I'm dragging the video playhead, it shades the area I want to cut off with this darkish overlay. Now, it's important to note that after doing that, this X button here at the top will not help you cut out this area. Instead, it will undo the split shaded area you have created to cut off. So when you select the area you want to remove or cut out from your video, simply click on the preview option here below, and that will mark the area again with this darkish shade. Now, you can continue to edit your video as you see fit. You can add more trims if you wish. The most important thing you should remember is that none of the changes you have made will affect the video until you have clicked on the save button here at the top right hand corner of the video editor. Now, beside the save button here, you'll see these extra options, which includes saving the edited video as a completely new video. So if you don't want to save it as another video, simply click on the save button and the changes will be applied on the same video. That's how easy it is to trim a portion of your video using the YouTube video editor. If you also like to learn how to blur out portions of your video after uploading it on YouTube, make sure to check out the video that pops up on the top right of this video. I'll also be linking the video in the description box below. And of course, before I forget, you can also use this video editor to add audio, music and end screens using the respective features. Now, the changes you make sometimes on your video using this video editor sometimes doesn't take immediate effect because it takes YouTube a little while to process the changes before activating it on your video. Usually in such a case, your viewers will still be able to see the old version of your video until the changes is activated. So if you desperately need to get rid of a portion of your video, you might want to first set the video you are editing to private or unlisted while you make the changes. And that's about it when it comes to trimming your uploaded videos on YouTube. Now again, if you are interested in starting, growing a YouTube channel and making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, make sure to check out my step-by-step video tips by clicking on the first link below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this 60 seconds YouTube tip. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.